Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. This is Suren Sapkota, real estate broker here in Cerritos, Artesia area. Let me give you the tour of this amazing, beautiful home, 6 bedroom, 3 bath here in Cerritos. You love this home. Let me give you the tour. We are entering into the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Looks very nice. Kitchen area, sink here. Dining area. Going to the living room here. Living room, family room, whatever you want to use.
And the first thing is that the living room would be the first one or the second one? The one.
Yeah,
that
this is the same. This is a family room
Family room.
actually. Yeah, family room. It has a two, and you also have a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom downstairs. Okay,
Downstairs.
this is the backyard. Really good size backyard here.
Let's go. Let's see the backyard.
So a lot of open space. I'm going to the downstairs bedroom. Bedroom with a full bath. Okay. Bedroom here. Good size of bedroom.
Oh, nice. It could
Wow.
it could also be used as an office, I believe.
Office, guest room, bedroom, whatever you can use. This home has a 6 bedrooms, okay?
Yeah.
And
Wow.
3
6
full
bedrooms.
baths. Amazing is the
Three
one.
full baths.
And over 2,700 square foot.
Living area.
Full
The
bathroom
restroom, and I
here.
see the restroom has a bidet too.
Yeah,
Nice.
really nice.
And,
So going upstairs now, okay?
how many car garage is it? 2 car garage.
2 car garage, yeah, plus driveway. So we can take park
The
4.
coffee bar right here. You see. Okay, so this would be the main living room, right?
It's a main living room. That's the family room and second living room, you
Okay.
know.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
Upstairs, beautiful stairs. It's a good styles.
Let's start with the masters. I want to see how the masters look like.
Masters is amazing. You love this master, okay?
All right. So this would be the masters.
It's a masters.
Okay. Wow.
Lot
Masters
of-
starts with
Lot,
a restroom, and
lot of natural lights.
yeah, a lot of natural. Right, let's go to the master.
Lot of natural lights.
Wow. Look at the view from the bed.
Yeah,
So that's the bed.
the view of
There's
the
a
neighborhood.
big window wall. The view
Yes.
is amazing, isn't it?
You love it. And lots of great views. Lot of natural
Yeah.
lights.
A lot of natural light. There's one more closet here. So technically there are 2 closets.
Yeah,
One closet here.
one closet here
One
and
closet in the restroom.
second closet right here.
Right
The
here.
two,
And there's a full
two
restroom,
closets.
obviously,
Okay.
for the masters. Now we got 3 more rooms upstairs, right? Or 4 more rooms upstairs.
Total upstairs 5.
Wow,
So this
okay,
is the one.
wow.
Another one
Wow,
we
the
go
first
to.
room I see.
This is another bathroom here.
Restroom,
Common
it's a closet.
bathroom.
And every room comes with the closet. And this
Yes,
is the
yes.
common.
Right.
This is the common bathroom for.
Yes, the common bathroom right here. Another is a third bedroom.
Okay.
I can show you the fourth one.
So this is another.
Fourth, lot of natural lights.
A lot of natural light, as you see. All the natural lights.
Also lights we have without even lights. Okay, so it's really good.
Nice corridor. You know, one thing
I'm
I
gonna show you
realized
the
is
magic one.
This is the magic
Fifth
one.
and sixth.
So this is the 5th.
Wow, you hardly find 6 bedroom in
bedroom.
Cerritos, okay?
Hardly find
Normally 3 to 4. If you
Yes.
get lucky, 5.
5. Yeah.
6 is extra lucky.
Extraordinary. And some of them, and pretty much all of them have closets, you know?
The
Even
good
this one has a
closets,
closet. If
good
you
size
see
of
up
closets,
here,
yeah.
This is the 6th bedroom. Even this one even has a walk-in closet.
Walking,
Walk-in closet.
huge closet, yeah.
It's like a mini master bedroom. It also has
Yeah.
a walk-in closet.
I can call second mode, two masters here, okay? So, guys, yeah, please give us a call for the more information to see this amazing, amazing, beautiful home in Cerritos.
Can you tell us a little bit about the city itself?
The city of
Yeah.
Cerritos is considered one of the best city in the area. It's centrally located between Orange County and LA. This is the last city of the Orange County. The city has a high rated school, not only high rated school, the city have a lot of park and lot of trees. It's called one of the largest number of the parks the city has, and number one library in the country called Cerritos Library, what built like 20 years ago. I think I heard that time it was cost like 35, $36 million even 20 years ago. You want the best library, feel like when you enter inside the library, feel like luxury five-star hotels. That
Yes.
nice it is.
Yes, that's
If you have not visited Cerritos Library, you should.
Yeah.
And that's the reason the city has a lot of desire. People really want to move and raise family or entertain or whatever you're gonna do or live here. Okay, that is that's the beauty of Cerritos.
Okay, before we sign off, can you please tell us what is the best part of this house? And what's your
This
favorite
part of house,
your favorite part of the house?
this part of the house is the size itself
Okay.
and location. 6 bedroom.
Now.
You hardly find 6 bedroom. This home, it's good for larger family
Yes,
or even two family you can live here.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
any size of family is good, but especially if you have a larger family, my goodness.
And they also have enough bathrooms too, almost 3.
Multi-generational, if you're gonna live here, I can say it's good for everybody.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Okay.
Okay.
That's the beauty part of it. Size.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want more information, you can reach us at 714-709-1586. Love to answer your questions. Love to provide you more information. Okay.